I look at trust like a brick wall. Every opportunity someone has to show that they're trustworthy is one brick in that brick wall. And that's why it takes a while to build. And then the person who builds the wall one day shatters the whole thing. If you choose to be willing to watch that brick wall be rebuilt, that would be your job. The person who shattered it has to be a really good bricklayer. And it goes up the same way it went up the first time, brick by brick by brick. But here's what I see. The brick wall is built. The betrayer shatters the brick wall. They don't have much of an interest in building it. So the betrayed says, fine, I'll do it. No, that's not their role. That's not their job. That's why repeat betrayals happen. That's why they're hypervigilant. That's why they don't feel safe.